Ready to test your brain? Let's jump into today's quiz challenge. Think you know what's inside a cell? Which organelle is responsible for packaging and modifying proteins? Correct answer. C. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi modifies, sorts, and packages proteins for transport inside or outside the cell. Which part of the cell contains its genetic material? Correct answer. D. Nucleus. The nucleus houses DNA and controls cell activities. Which structure synthesizes lipids and detoxifies chemicals in the cell? Correct answer. B. Smooth ER. The smooth ER produces lipids and detoxifies harmful substances. Which of the following is not found in prokaryotic cells? Correct answer. C. Nucleus. Prokaryotes lack a nucleus, their DNA floats in the cytoplasm. What is the role of the mitochondria? Correct answer. D. Produce ATP energy. Mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell, producing energy via respiration. What cellular structure is responsible for breaking down waste in old organelles? Correct answer. B. Lysosome. Lysosomes contain enzymes that digest cellular waste. Which structure gives plant cells their rigid shape? Correct answer. A. Cell wall. The cell wall provides structure and support in plant cells. What is the primary function of ribosomes? Correct answer. C. Protein synthesis. Ribosomes read mRNA and assemble amino acids into proteins. Let's test your knowledge on DNA, genes, and chromosomes with 8 brain-boosting questions. What does DNA stand for? Correct answer. B. Deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is the molecule that carries genetic instructions in all living organisms. Where in the cell is DNA mainly located? Correct answer. C. Nucleus. In eukaryotic cells, DNA is stored in the nucleus. Which of the following is a section of DNA that codes for a specific protein? Correct answer. C. Gene. A gene is a unit of heredity that carries instructions to make proteins. How many chromosomes does a normal human cell contain? Correct answer. C. 46. Humans have 23 pairs, or 46 chromosomes in total. What shape is DNA most commonly described as? Correct answer. D. Double helix. DNA's structure resembles a twisted ladder or double helix. What are the building blocks of DNA called? Correct answer. B. Nucleotides. Nucleotides are made of a sugar, phosphate, and a nitrogen base. Which nitrogen base is not found in RNA? Correct answer. C. Thymine. Thymine is replaced by uracil in RNA. Which pair is correctly matched in DNA base pairing? Correct answer. A with T. Adenine pairs with thymine, and guanine pairs with cytosine. You're doing amazing, don't stop now. Can you score 8 out of 8 on this mitosis and meiosis quiz? Which type of cell division produces genetically identical daughter cells? Correct answer. B. Mitosis. Mitosis results in 2 identical cells with the same number of chromosomes. In humans, how many chromosomes are in each cell after mitosis? Correct answer. B. 46. Mitosis maintains the full diploid number 46 chromosomes in humans. Meiosis occurs only in which type of cells? Correct answer. C. Gamete-producing cells. Meiosis creates sperm and egg cells for sexual reproduction. How many daughter cells are produced during meiosis? Correct answer. D. 4. Meiosis produces 4 genetically unique haploid cells. Which phase of mitosis involves chromosomes aligning in the center of the cell? Correct answer. C. Metaphase. During metaphase, chromosomes line up along the metaphase plate. What separates during anaphase in mitosis? Correct answer. C. Sister chromatids. In anaphase, sister chromatids are pulled to opposite poles of the cell. Which process increases genetic variation? Correct answer. C. Crossing over during meiosis. Crossing over in prophase I of meiosis mixes genetic material between chromosomes. What is the final stage of cell division where the cytoplasm splits? Correct answer. B. Cytokinesis. Cytokinesis divides the cytoplasm, completing the cell division process. Let's test your brain power. Drop your answers in the comments and see if you get them right. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Type your answer in the comments. What is the main purpose of mitosis in multicellular organisms? Comment your answer below. If you're enjoying the quiz, give this video a like and subscribe for more brainy challenges. Let's test your genetics knowledge in this inheritance and heredity quiz. Which of the following carries genetic information? Correct answer. B. Genes. Genes, located on DNA, carry the instructions for traits. Who is considered the father of modern genetics? Correct answer. C. Gregor Mendel. Mendel's pea plant experiments revealed inheritance patterns. What is a dominant allele? Correct answer. B. An allele that shows up when present. Dominant alleles mask the expression of recessive ones. What is the genotype of a person with two identical alleles? Correct answer. B. Homozygous. Homo means same, homozygous means identical alleles. In a Punnett square, what does each box represent? Correct answer. B. A possible genotype of offspring. Punnett squares predict genetic outcomes in offspring. Which type of inheritance involves more than two allele options? Correct answer. D. Multiple alleles. Traits like blood type are controlled by multiple alleles, A, B, O. Well done, you made it through all 30 questions. Which topic was your favorite? And how many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next quiz challenge.